abusuan for say ope baby e di wudwuma papa bi so what you say engagement wedding asori ope so ukọ serve unkrofo bi a particular place wo ye dwuma de bi won kran ka so area ho na say ope so kokọ den ukọ serve unkrofo bi catering services rent house what you say ceremony bi a naming ceremony ayie ni nyina kona ko hu Goshen event venue ewo Kaswa Eon City more Presby kwana so ho no ma so ho a very nice place tier rubber e bi ano nche so ati ase demu for ho e kama very serene environment so ho o ma for kona ko hu omo numbers and that screen so no from WhatsApp yo na one omo ndi edwuma bi abeso di bia ombe sort out kama.
Okay, so for TV Ghana, but on like no comment no share money on side there. Be a share na and this if I take you over power now. You see, omudi nsimbi atudwa concerning free SHS. Na we know I say Ghana for new be anim. But the truth is more experience na kasa na dia betu social media no so. Papa bi ane ba kwa chimota. No dia betu dwa say headmaster for na momo enkwala no bill e dia ba fie say from January our ba school mo resume school kwa on betu school fees pay man ntiri mu ne de on be so mche say grade A ni grade B schools no do betu school fees na say fee SHS ni twa bi ma free so to ba ko grade A and grade B school automatically no ba ne betu school fees na bill a de ama wo mo no nya asem koto ene na 7,000 na say na danko kufuado waye ne mapa o obobra okuruma o waye de obi nya bi da okuruma pa o serious o and at this particular issue be no credit because almost vice president as a then running mate mama a professor Jina no Pukwajima be ka say there were schools beyond my those days no na yesika for man kwa na connect say prempem no na de ade no they will reserve those schools for ambassador returning to that particular system. Does that mean say I don't know mo ye yana. Okay, once of kono ko 20 multimedia concept for graphic design, video animation, print and branding nyina on be e dia ma di hands of perform numbers na go screen so na wa frɛ omo on be bibia nom de abro at your doorstep o ma for enkunikuti papa ne nsema ode tudwa no.
Mama munyina mu good morning, mama Fshs munu yakwa me NPP ni. Asamasi enya asam ketwa. Enna me ba free school ma ba. Wonya ache mota. Amani ya de abono say from January omo ba school school bia school bia omo be pay school fees ya de me ba ni bill aba enti yamla PTA nyame adoma 28 yamla PTA awofo tresa me ba school fees ne lad bill ni ade ya kabo ni water bill no and then I in feeding brought more than 7,000 cedis. Nyankopon na me dance ni nyagro. Sadi we pa said ya kama man ke yen na be na do mato no so. Se pa na mahaman ko de baba de ame ka bibia Ghana. Ye be demonstrating na ma papa no ke to no so. Ye ba nya free education na o be kono. And manum ya new government dia wode bebe ni dia ye be ko PTA nyame adoma 28 ye ba bod ye tenkom dia ba yi bia bakoso ene ayi ni ya de ba to platform so amama hwe na me ba ne ya ne dia me se da bi agro na mi so mudi se say ana omo ba se school be a school me ba free education to turn normal man akono change of government enti school fees in kwa 4,300 the feeding and then your friend is saying the light bill water bill me na ade no ekaka bo mu kwa 7,000 dia ɛne ɛbɛka sɛ mahama ghanafoɔ nkeɛ ma ne ntwa afe baako keɛ nyinaa bɛka bom ama papa no nkeɛ tu no adeɛ so because saa nkwasi asɛm sɛ paa na ɔde bɛba deɛ a na do nyankopɔn sɛ ɔmpɛ sɛ yɛ mma bɛkɔ school paa deɛ a na meyɛ sure sɛ ɔboa ɛmme sɛ agorɔ bi na ɔdi ɛde bra ba papapapapa sɛsɛ na ɛkɔ so me ɛna metete bi na mu ne sɛ yi metete ya na mebu ne sɛ agorɔ bi ɛna ɛyɛ yi sɛsɛ paa na ɛbɛkɔ so deɛ amaama kaganafoɔ yɛ ne ndede paa
wafo ɛne yɛ no kuru deɛ keka kɔnda ne deɛ yɛ no kure because akora no kura school fees no deɛ ba fie deɛ imagine ɛnyɛ hɔ nko ɛnyɛ hɔ nom nko in serious it is happening na ayɛ kata so mumu so ɛden ɛba beto dwaze ne edigu manum zi ya ɔmo toro na ɔmo sɔrɔ ɔmo ti opposition ɔmo kana fo ɔmo ba mu no so mo entoro no ɔmo kɔ ɛyɛ event sɛ appointment committee so afi de no ɔmo dane ɔmo no yɛ de ɔmo twa ntoro nyinaa ɔmo kɔ appointment committee akɔ dane ɔmo no nyinaa ayɛ yɛ de ɔmo ntoro nyinaa ba beto dwa o de yɛn kɔ hwɛ ɛyɛ tama attorney general designate ɛyɛ ɔkɔ ne appointment committee ɔmo kɔ akɔtoto na no hwɛ afenyo markets de yɛ
the law to be enacted to enable the Office of Special Prosecutor have the legal powers to proceed with the work, correct? I don't know what you mean by the advocate. I took part in the lawmaking process. Go back to the Hansa. My initial position was that it was an unconstitutional body because it was, to me, violative of Article 88 of the Constitution, because we're taking the constitutional powers of the Attorney General and giving it to another person and seeking to say that the Attorney General that person should be autonomous or independent of the Attorney General. And I said no, those prosecutorial powers inherently belong to the Attorney General. And no one can take them away and then say that the person should be, ring fenced in such a way that that person, should not be controlled by the Attorney General. I made very forceful arguments to that effect, and that is how come that there were provisions, the independence provisions were watered down at my behest. And of course, I was just a lone ranger at the time, but I'm no longer alone. I take a look at it. So now, in view of that reasoning, which you hold so firm, and if I may have to repeat, you saying that the establishment of the Office of the Special Prosecutor took away the prosecutorial powers of the Attorney General. Now we have ORA with investigative powers. Don't you think, in line with the same reasoning, that committee is taking away the investigative powers of IOCO and the police? I am not aware that, Honorable nominee, before you come in, you made a reference to Article 88, particularly Article 88.3, that gives exclusive jurisdiction or power to the Attorney General to conduct criminal cases. And any other body that is conducting a criminal case is doing so on the authority of the Attorney General. Therefore, I recall that in the passage of the Special Prosecution Act, agreement was come back to the effect that we cannot give the Special Prosecutor by an act of Parliament power to do prosecution. And this was heeded to the sense that the Attorney General at that time agreed with our position. They used their numbers 169 against 106 to push the law, and when it gets to the third reading, the Attorney General then declined to come and move the motion for the third reading leading to the passage of the law. But today, it's being stated that there was argument from the nominee to the effect that special prosecutors will have power to proceed. The Constitution is very clear on power to proceed, but not power to investigate. Honorable nominee, my question to you is this. Here is a committee without any legal backing, of which you say and insist that it is legal. I'm asking you, this committee is out there saying it is investigating supposed looting. Now, we have state institutions with the mandate to investigate allegations of corruption, conflict of interest, and certain actions of public officials. Shraj is a typical example. We've had situations where members of the public have gone to Shraj on certain matters. We have the police. The police has various units that does investigation. We have IOCO. We established IOCO at 804. If you look at their mandate, they have all the powers. Are you saying that this committee does not conflict the work of these statutorily established state agencies? Mr. Chairman, no, your answer. No, it doesn't. And I'm not aware that Oral has been, compared with investigative powers. They are gathering information for purposes of determining, whether or not some wrongdoing has taken place by higher bodies. I remember them saying that once the Attorney General takes office, they will hand over the information. It's like a whistleblower, coming to the Attorney General with the information. There's nothing legally wrong with that. So I still stand by that. Thank you very much. I don't know why Oral is putting so much stress to some Ghanaians. Honorable nominee, if I understood you correctly, is it your suggestion that upon taking office, ORA shall cease to be in operation? I just want clarity. Honorable Leader, the nominee never said so. So I do not know the clarity that you are seeking from something that the nominee has never said. Honorable nominee, since Chair says you never said so, let me now ask you. No, I did not say so. That's okay. No problem. That's all right. Honorable nominee, are you saying that because you believe that ORA has a legal backing, your office is going to continuously depend on ORA for the purposes of providing you with information for your prosecution? Honorable Minority Leader, the nominee never said so. So you may ask another question. Chairman, please,
for the third time. Honorable nominee, as Attorney General and Minister of Justice, you will primarily rely on state agencies such as police, IOCO, and FIC for the purposes of building your case for prosecution, correct? Well, the qualification primarily doesn't sit down well with me. Some of the institutions we mentioned have statutory power to conduct investigations that are restricted. So, for instance, if you take, IOCO, economic and organized crime, period, they can investigate anything relating to, say, murder or treason and so on, or other crimes, right? So their mandate, their investigative mandate is restricted to economic and organized crime. So they are creatures of statute, okay? The Attorney General will rely on any source of information, okay, that will lead to the detection of criminal offenses, whether relating to corruption, whether relating to looting of state property, and so on. Once that, gives us the basis to gather evidence of wrongdoing, we'll aggressively pursue it, and then it will serve as the basis of prosecution. Thank you once again.
Bravo, some of your question. Chairman, no, say, on it, if any say, appointees, no. And the Okotino Macunya no so a good position knows the dentist would defend your more left, right, center because of no component here. Kunyanim. See, Miss Anna questions. Well, mobile TV can a comment or conversation about me coming.